Here we have the formula for factoring a sum of cubes. A cubed plus B cubed equals A plus B times A squared minus AB plus B squared. So let's first check this to see that when we multiply the binomial A plus B times the trinomial A squared minus AB plus B squared, that we really do get A cubed plus B cubed. So first we'll start by distributing the A in the binomial to all of the terms in the trinomial. A times A squared is A cubed. A times minus AB is minus A squared B. And A times B squared is plus AB squared. And now we'll distribute the B to all of the terms in the trinomial. So we get B times A squared, which is A squared B, and then B times minus AB, which is minus AB squared, and then the last term gives us plus B cubed. So here we can see that we have the term minus A squared B and plus A squared B. So when we add those together, we get 0. And we also have the term AB squared minus AB squared. So those will also sum to 0. And that leaves us with just two terms, A cubed plus B cubed. So if we have a binomial of the form A cubed plus B cubed, or the sum of cubes, we can factor it using this formula. So let's say we had something like x cubed plus 8. In this case, the first term is x cubed, so that means that x is playing the role of A. And we have the second term is 8, so that means that 2 is playing the role of B. So when we factor, the binomial that we get is A plus B, so in this case that's going to be x plus 2. And the binomial that we get is supposed to be A squared, but in our case A is played by the role of x, so we're going to get x squared, and then we're supposed to have minus AB, so that's going to be minus 2 times x for us, and then the last term is going to be B squared, so that's going to be plus 4 for us. So we can factor the sum of cubes using the formula. If you're in one of my intermediate algebra classes, I will not ask you to factor sum of cubes on an exam unless I give you the formula.